track 1. CSX Equipment Defect Detector Milepost 3.0. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3.7. End of transmission.
Alright, Marshall, what's your length on this thing? We got 4759 over. 4759, understand. What's your tonnage? 5144. Oh, agreed. It wants me to do a departure test. D34501, locomotive 521. Y'all on the main unit. How much is this thing you got over the hump? It wants me to do a departure test. I got 5 locomotives that ain't gonna go nowhere. Alright. What do you say the tonnage was? 5144. I understand. Here we go. I got brakes released.